Okay, 30, let's get this whole process again. We're a temp agency. The Donaldson Corporation wants to hire a temporary secretary. There are 2 employment agencies in town, and it is believed that the average hourly rate charged by both agencies is the same. That's the claim. A Donaldson manager surveyed other employers in town to find out what they paid agencies for temporary secretaries. The results are summarized below. At alpha equals 0.05, test the claim that each agency charges the same hourly wage. First step, null. Alternative. So the null hypothesis is that the wages are the same. Alternative hypothesis is that the wages are different, and the claim is that they're the same. Okay. Second step. Now this is a T distribution, right? So the degrees of freedom would be the smaller one, 18 minus 1, which is 17. So the critical value, let me draw my little picture. It's going to be two-tailed, right? Because this is a difference, not equal to. It's not just greater than or less than. So we're two-tailed. Alpha's 0.05, 17 degrees of freedom. T-test. Two-tailed. Alpha's 0.05. Did we say 17 degrees of 17 degrees of freedom? Here's 17 right there. Two-tailed 0.05. So 2.11. So we've got 2.11 here and negative 2.11 there. Okay, perfect. So we've got our critical values. Step 3. Let's calculate this test value. So T is x bar 1 minus x bar 2 minus mean 1 minus mean 2 over the square root of s1 squared over n1 plus s2 squared over n2. And we have all our values neatly organized here for us. So 9.55 minus 9.25 minus 0, of course, right? Mean 1 minus mean 2 is 0. 1.45 squared over 20 plus 1.25 squared over 18. Let's put all that in here. And we'll do the purely calculator approach next. Don't fret. So 9.55 divided by 9.25. Subtract 9.25 divided by the square root of 1.45 squared divided by 20 plus 1.25 squared divided by 18. So my t value is 0.68. And as we can see, 0.68 is somewhere around here. Not in my rejection region, right? Not in my rejection region. So step 4, do not reject the null hypothesis. If we were in this rejection region, if I got a t-value that was greater than 2.11 or less than negative 2.11, I would reject. But since I didn't, don't reject. So don't reject this. So there is enough evidence to support the claim. That the agencies charge the same hourly wage. Now let's check the calculator approach. You know what? I want to say this better than that. I should really say there's not enough evidence to reject the claim. Since I'm not rejecting the claim, there's not enough evidence to reject that claim. I'll say that instead. I think that's a better thing to say. Okay, so let's let's go to tests. This is a 2-sample t-test. We're entering these statistics. I'm going to just overwrite this. 9.55. S1 is 1.45. N1 is 20. X bar 2 is, sorry. 9.25. S2 is 1.25. N2 is 18. This is a not equal to again. Calculate. T-value is 0.68. P-value is 0.49. We can use that. 0.49 is greater than alpha, greater than 0.05. So do not reject the null hypothesis. Same conclusion we got. Same conclusion we drew. That's it. 1 to 5.